In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub. Whether you're a coding beginner or looking to broaden your skills for work, GitHub is an incredibly useful platform for managing and sharing code. Let's start by walking through the process of creating your GitHub account, which is your essential first step. Head over to the GitHub website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your personal details to create an account. Once you've done that, you're officially a part of the GitHub community. With your account ready, it's time to create your first repository, often called a repo. A repository is a storage space for your project files, where you can manage, track, and collaborate on code. From the GitHub homepage, look for a large green button that says New Repository. Click on this to get started. You'll now be prompted to enter a name for your repository. Choose something descriptive, as this will be how you recognize your project in the future. Next, you'll select the visibility of your repository. If you choose Public, anyone on the internet can see your repository, which is great for open source projects and sharing code with the community. On the other hand, selecting Private makes the repository accessible only to you and those you specifically invite. Once you've made your selections, click Create Repository. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your first GitHub repository. Now that your repository is set up, let's touch on GitHub's collaborative features, specifically the pull request, known as a PR. A pull request is a way to propose changes to a repository and ask others to review and give feedback on those changes before they're merged into the main project. Understanding the pull request workflow is key to collaborating effectively on GitHub. The first step in this workflow is to create a branch. A branch is essentially a duplicate of your main code where you can safely make your changes without affecting the original content. Once you're happy with your updates, make sure to push the branch to your repository on GitHub. From here, navigate to your repository on the GitHub website and open a new pull request. This is your chance to state what you've changed and why, offering other collaborators a clear understanding of your intent. After opening the pull request, the GitHub interface allows your peers or team members to review your changes. They might provide some feedback or suggest additional alterations. Once everyone is satisfied and the review is complete, it's time to merge the pull request, integrating your updates into the main branch of the repository. There you have it. You've set up your GitHub account, created your first repository, and learned the basics of the pull request workflow. Happy coding, and welcome to the world of version control with GitHub. Remember, practice is key when navigating new platforms, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with the features GitHub offers.